Hey, hi there, Pisces. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to thank you for tuning into those energies and influences that are coming through for your weekly reading for September 1st to the 7th of 2019. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is a condensed general reading. Please only take the portions that resonate with you. Okay, Pisces, off camera to save time, I've done a protective blessing. I've meditated over and shuffled these cards just for you. Your first card. It's the general atmosphere. It's the background and the basis of the matter. The Two of Wands, Pisces. This is fire energy. This card representing aspiration. There's something you want. This is planning. The world is in your hands. It's up to you to make the choice. You've started something and you're awaiting results. Has to do with your business success and future possibilities. It's creative tension and longing and a new outlook. There could be opposing forces taking place within you or someone around you. This can also indicate power over someone else. It's enterprise and energy and growth. This person is deciding their next move. It's a potential yet unfulfilled, with high ideals and aims. And planning. Could be a desire for travel and a new outlook. Change is in the air. It comes with a feeling of restlessness. You can have success using your strength and your vision, so use initiative. These are impulses that complement each other or work against each other, so wait for your decision to mature and then act. There is a shadow to this card. It's not the negative reading. It's just the shadow to the upright reading. It's never acting on your desire for change. Your second card. This is the energy that's crossing over your path. This is really good, Pisces. Number 17 of the major arcana in the Rider-Waite deck. The Star. This can be an Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. There is a free birth chart calculator at the very bottom of the description box. This is great hope and great love. It's confidence. This is experiencing optimism and you're feeling good about yourself and your place in the universe. You have arrived in a positive place for which you've been preparing yourself, and you're receiving assistance from both the invisible world as well as the material world. And now good things are in the offing: money, possessions, love, recognition, or assistance. Your lucky stars are with you in this venture because you are flowing with the energy of the universe, and you trust life's processes, and you're setting new goals for the future. New opportunities in your career or relationships are opening. This is hope and promise and a light to steer by. It's living your authentic self. Each man needs a goal to aim towards, which to strive. We all need faith and the belief that our hopes and wishes will be fulfilled, and that our hopes and dreams will come true. Without the inspiration of the star, life would become dull and lackluster. The star provides that little bit of magic which spurs us on and keeps us going in times of stress and doubt. This is a happy message of promise and good fortune and optimism and joy. It suggests inspiration, a sense of purpose, and the renewal of life's forces and energy. It's peeling off limiting beliefs, and now you're free to move mountains. And giving creates positive energy. And now your third card. This is how it affects you. This can be your attitude. Number 7 of the major arcana in the Rider-Waite deck, the Chariot. This can be a Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is the ability to control opposing forces within yourself. Those opposing forces can be spiritual versus carnal. Can also mean the wish to go forward and the simultaneous wish to stay secure in the tried and tested. So you must learn how to steer a middle course through the battleground of these opposing feelings and thoughts and desires. No change results in stagnation. This is the quality of energy needed to fight for a desired goal. So maintain your focus and your confidence and your willpower to achieve these goals. This is aggression reined in. Could be a journey or a progression. Success is imminent. This is a fast card. Yet there's endurance and direction and your perseverance. It's testing your commitment and using firm resolve. With control and momentum and determination and self-discipline, it's taking control of your life and staying focused on your goal. And remember not to let emotions throw you off track. It's choosing long-term accomplishments over short-term gratification. I'm going to be giving you the combination meanings in just a little bit. And now here's your fourth card. It's the position of the future. It's the outcome, the results, and the advice. Number 1 of the major arcana in the Rider-Waite deck, the Magician. This is your third major card in the layout. This can be a pivotal week for you, Pisces. This is a card of skill and mastery. It can also be an Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is creative power and intention and using your willpower. This is a masculine energy card. The ruling planet is Mercury. This is someone that draws power from above to materialize their desires. You see that cosmic lemon skate, that sideways figure 8? That's a symbol of eternal life and domination, indicating the harmonious interaction of the conscious and the subconscious, idea and feeling, desire and emotion, as in the law of attraction. As above, so below. As within, so without. So you need to remain conscious of your thoughts because you can make things happen. You're a creator. That's good. This is staying focused on your goals. And it's a time for creation and a beginning. It's taking on challenges and new opportunities. There's infinite possibilities here, and you're a master at your craft. This is action and changes and new starts, and it's favorable for work. Something exciting is about to start. It's new beginning and new choices, and manipulating the situation to achieve your desired ends. This is leadership potential and ambition and a desire for action. Could be a new relationship coming into being, so stay focused on your goal and use your will. You're a step closer to a new level. Sometimes this is a self-employment card. Now you have control over the immediate environment. This is having the abilities and the talents to accomplish what you're setting out to do. The Chariot card with the Magician card, this is a well-ordered workshop, or the power to do something really well. Or it could be a danger of suddenly losing interest in a satisfactory project. The Chariot with the Star card, this is an intense spiritual effort that may fail or succeed. Choices need to be made to get to your dreams. This could be a premature abandonment of an effort from a false sense of confidence. Here's your fifth card. It's the bottom of the deck card. The underlying issue. This is what's unseen. The Seven of Wands, Pisces. This is fire energy. Represents standing your ground. You're being defensive. This is victory through courage and success against opposition, and you are reaching a new level. And you do have the position of advantage, and there's going to be certain success. This could be competition in business or trade, the completion of a phase with deep purpose and valor. This could be facing tests, but there's victory. This is courage in difficult situations, and you'll beat down all problems and things you have to handle. This is the excitement of conflict, and on the intellectual plane it signifies discussion, wordy strife, and in business negotiations the war of trade, barter, and competition. And this is defending what matters. This person has a lion heart. And you're now ready to face challenges, and you will stand your ground and fight for what you believe in. And your determination will overcome all obstacles. The shoe is now on the other foot. Or you're too busy and so absorbed that you, in haste, put on two different shoes. So take a stand. This is a warning against blockages and unnecessary blockages. Do not be a victim. It can be stiff competition in business, a chance to prove yourself. You may feel like you're singled out, or you're being harassed, or you're doing all your tasks alone. But you've worked your way up. This is justified hope and freshness. and you may have to take a strong action against someone else or become more self-reliant. And now here's your advice from the Oracle deck. Trust Your Vibes by Sonia Choquette. Pisces, you've got Learn. Card number 19. Learn. Right now, you don't possess all the soul skills you need to resolve your life challenges. It's time to learn more in order to find answers and move to a higher vibration of personal peace. Thankfully, you're being contacted by a very important range of personal guides called spirit teachers, whose primary purpose is to inspire you to learn. They will also direct you to teachers and classrooms that will help you fulfill your soul's ambitions. Listen for your spirit teachers today. As they work, relevant information will be placed in front of you in the form of brochures, announcements, or invitations to new classrooms and teachers on the earth plane. Your spirit teachers may also work through messengers who spontaneously make recommendations for learning, sometimes for no apparent reason. Your role is to be open-minded, student. Our entire earthly experience is designed to be a classroom for the soul. Ask yourself, what have I learned lately? What am I called to learn next? And am I willing to learn? Then listen for your spirit teachers to help you answer these questions. They'll guide you when you're ready. Thanks, you guys, Pisces. I hope you stay tuned in and leave me a comment and a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Now remember, what goes around comes around, so I'm sending you out love and light and blessings. Thanks for watching.